Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I welcome you all. This class 11th subject economics, and our today's topic is organic farming. When we talk about the organic farming, first of all, this organic means a fertilizer that is derived from animal vegetable matter, and the farming is the practice of cultivation or cultivating land. So dear students, organic farming is a sustainable farming system which maintains the long-term fertility of the soil and use less of the earth's finite resources to produce high-quality, nutritious food. Organic techniques have been developed from an understanding of soil science, crop breeding, animal husbandry, and ecology. Organic farming uses crop rotation, the application of animal manures and composts, mechanical cultivation, and natural integrated pest control to maintain soil fertility. To supply plants with the nutrients they need and to control insects, weed and other pests, artificial fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators, and livestock feed additives are prohibited. बेटा, जैसा कि आपने जाना है कि जो ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग है, ये फार्मिंग का वो सिस्टम है, ये खेती बाड़ी का वो तरीक़ेकार है जिसकी बिना पर हम बहुत मुद्दत के लिए, बहुत देर तक जो है अपनी ज़मीन में बहुत सारी फसलों का और बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं ताकि हमें इससे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो और हमारी ज़मीन भी ज़रखेज़ हो ताकि हमें काफ़ी पैदावार मिल सके। तो इन चीज़ों को मद्देनज़र रखकर ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग का इंतखाब किया जाता है। तो यहाँ पे हमारी जहाँ तक सवाल है ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग इन इंडिया का, यानी ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग इन इंडिया, तो यहाँ पे सवाल होता है कि एज पर ए फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर organization FAO study of mid-2003, India has 1,426 certified organic farms, producing approximately 14,000 tons of organic food produce annually. There were 44,926 certified organic farms in India in 2007 to 2008. To increase the area under organic farming, participatory guarantee system was launched in 2011 to 12. In 2013 to 14, 12.4 lakh tons of organic products were produced. India exports 1,94,088 tons of organic products in 2013 to 14. So dear students, we will talk about the myths and fallacies about organic farming in my next lecture. Till then, stay home, save yourselves. Thank you very much.